Hey guys, I was in the middle of another TikTok getting ready to put these nails on and a tip came to me. Now you'll notice that these nails have a white base. So the front and the back are white. So that means if you file the tip of these nails over the next week or however long you get out of this set of nails, the color is going to come off the tip if you file it. So my suggestion is really try not to file the tip of it. I have a problem with this a lot because they're sometimes a little too long, or they have like those little notches at the top that like catch on everything. So I usually am one that files the top and then you have like the white tip. And over the week that I wear them or 2 weeks that I can get out of them, the color comes off and you can see the white. So just a quick little tip, if you don't want your tips to be white, if your nail base is white, don't file your nails.